25. In front of the down, 25, 25, 25, see, 90, 20 for mid, and down, 20, 75, 90, 27, 30, 30, come on, 90, 30. Hey, Jim.
Wait a minute.
Tim Chuck.
Wait a minute. What's over there? Hold on, hold the presses. I'm going through the mud. I don't care. Look at what I see here. What do I see here? What do I see here? Oh, we're gonna check the VIN number and see if that's a real Mach 1. This car is gonna go in the auction. It's the real, I believe it's the real deal. You know, it's dialed in. I think it's actually got staggered tires. I think it's got a little bit wider in the back. They look like 15 Magnum 500s. That's the look I love. I don't, you know, 14, they came at 14. I'm not into 15. Sorry for all the screaming, but the auctioneer's going off. And there's the interior. I hope you can see the stick. But she is beautiful, beautiful. That's bone stock right there. That's bone stock. This is a very valuable car. It's rare, and it's a real deal, matching numbers.
Down 45, down 47.5, down 45, 47.5, 45, 47.5, 47.5 barrel, and 45, 47.5, 45, 46, down 46, down 45, 46,
that's a GT convertible for sale. Sorry, I'm always talking to my camera.
47, 47, 47, 47 again, and down 46 and five, down 47 around left, and down 46 and five, down 47 pounds and down, and down 7,
47.
down 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, down, 46 pounds and 5, and down, 47, 47 and 5, 47 and 5, and down, 47 and 5, and down 47 and 5, and down, 47 and 5, and 47 and 5. Betty said down, and thinking the bell's gonna take more like 60,000 on the minute to buy, not yet, don't I gotta lose some.
They're looking for 60, and it looks like it's not going to sell.
2008 Ferrari, 5.
Real deal rims and everything, guys.
USA, only 5,000
That's
miles.
the real deal.
Receipt attached and pictures, all owners,
That's the original wheel. That's all correct.
No paintwork, like brand new. Original MSRP is $347,000.
Oh, go ahead. There she goes, not sold, had a $60,000 reserve on her, did not sell. Wimbledon white. I've learned to like Wimbledon white.